This is the IBM takes Australian open data onto private cloud. For the 2012, the news IBM announced that it is developing a global private cloud computing system, the Australian Open, as a part of the technology partnership for the International Grand Slam Tennis Tournament. The IBM has long provided managed services that includes the consulting services and the hardware-software solution for the building clouds for the Australian customers, but it has not been forthcoming about its cloud computing strategy to the Australian market until now. The IBM Private Cloud is a virtualized environment hosted in free data centers based in the US. This is according to the statement. The private cloud enables the continuous access to the content, including the raised level of the millions of the global fans, broadcasters, and players. Even in the event of the total data center outage, the Australian Open organizers, Tennis Australia, can use the private cloud to rapidly scale its data in the real time and ensure uninterrupted availability. The IBM Private Cloud is a virtualized environment hosted in the free data centers based in the US. The private cloud enables continuous access to the content, including a raised level of match and the player data from the Australian Open for the million of the global fans, broadcasters, and players. The IBM statement, Samir Mahir, CIO of the Tennis Australia, stressed that all the tennis fans are important to the organizers where they attend the event or are watching from the homes. They want to give a connected experience for the Australian Open. The private cloud solution provides the necessary volume of the Australian Open data to anyone in the world at any time without any of the excess demand affecting its quality or the availability. The fans can expect the real-time access to more dynamic content even during the busiest periods of the competition. The IBM statement stressed that all the tennis fans are very important to the organizers, whether they attend the event or are watching from homes. They want to give a connected experience for the Australian Open. The private cloud solution provides the necessary volume of the Australian Open data to anyone in the world at any time without any excess demand affecting its quality or availability. This means that the fans can expect the real-time access to or dynamic content even during the busiest periods of the competition. The IBM has previously leveraged the private cloud at the other Grand Slam tournaments to satisfy the data integrity and the scalability needs of the USA, France, and UK organizers. About the high need for the elasticity of the computing power when dealing with the audiences of a major tournament, for the most of the year Tennis Australia is a small and medium-sized business, but for the 2 weeks every January that they host the Australian Open and become a large global enterprise, they need to be able to rapidly adjust to the number of the fans accessing their digital content and their changing interests throughout the competition. This is Monica of Synergy.